Coming is an iPhone 5 model designation A1662. Serial number is 0815. Battery percentage level is about 2%. It's about 35% battery level, and incoming charge current about 1.60 amperes. It's a T-Mobile device with 4 bars of reception. The digitizer works with a random 4-point test. Power button is operational. Volume down, volume up button does have positive tactile feedback.
I should have changed it right away. Then the camera would be safe.
Okay, the home button works, but the Touch ID over here seems a little bit lagging, but it works. Bottom 2 screws are present, and the headset jack does appear to be round. At this point, I'm going to ask for the customer's permission to also take a look at the inside of the device by removing the bottom 2 screws, lifting up the front panel, and take a look at the inside before we can issue a